Hi, I'm FICO certified credit coach Jeremy Dysock with Credit Life Financial Wellness. And if you're watching this video, you may have asked yourself at some point in time, does credit repair work? Well, the short answer is no, it doesn't, not in the traditional way most people think. Now, if that's not the answer that you were expecting, I'll ask you to stick with me for about 30 seconds so I can tell you what does work and how we do things the Credit Life way. Here's the thing, most credit repair companies are letter factories. All they do is dispute negative items on your credit report. All that you end up with then is being someone with less bad on your credit report, but it doesn't strengthen that profile, it doesn't raise that score, and it doesn't get you to your goals. So here's where the Credit Life methodology comes in. One, we work on eliminating the negatives through investigative processes, putting the burden of proof into the hands of the people who reported the negative items that they're accurate, factual, current, correct, and verifiable today. And if they're found not to be, those are permanently deleted from the credit profile. The next methodology we work on is where I come in. I'm a FICO certified credit coach. We have several FICO certified coaches on staff at Credit Life. We work with you and make a plan, steps, and action items to raise your score, to round out your profile, and to get you in position for your goals. So we may have you open accounts or close accounts, pay something down, pay something off, or pay something at a different time each month. But anything we have you do is only going to be done because we already know what will happen. It's math, it's an algorithm, it's FICO. And the last methodology that we put into play at Credit Life is this. Credit does not operate by itself out in space. Your income is involved, debt is involved, collections, savings, budgeting, those are all involved. And so what do? We deal with it. That's why we call ourselves Credit Life Financial Wellness, not Credit Life Credit Repair. Simply having less negative items is not something that most people want. Most people want better credit that'll let them live the life they want and let them take advantage of opportunities when they present themselves. If you're one of those people, I invite you to take advantage of a no obligation credit consultation call. There's no cost for the call. It's not a sales call. It's with an actual FICO certified coach to talk about your situation, to talk about your goals, put a plan, steps, and action items in place to get you there. And then if any of our services are appropriate, we can connect you with those. Otherwise, we give you good advice and send you on your way. So if you click on the link below this video, up will pop a calendar. It'll allow you to pick a day, an evening, or even a weekend that works for you. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being someone who really understands that it's more than just eliminating negative items from the credit. I look forward to talking to you soon.